Good morning. Myself, Dr. Anil Kumar. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Biotechnology, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Rama University, Mandana, Kanpur. So, just I want to discuss a little topic which covers under the biotechnology. My aim is to discuss some lecture in the topic of role of biotechnology in the different domains of science, especially roles of biotechnology, roles of biotechnology, yeah, you can say biotechnology in the domain of science. So, just why I have chosen this area, because nowadays biotechnology play a crucial role in the different aspect of science. So, like first of all I will discuss about the science. Science, what is science? As we know, the systematic study of any subject is known as science. Systematic study of any subject, especially natural subject. Natural means though natural subject is known as science. Second thing, what is biotechnology? Biotechnology, I just want to say कि bio means biology, and technology means engineering. So, just we can say this is a best amalgamation of science, yeah, biology with engineering. So, that is why we are telling it biotechnology. So, where biotechnology are playing a good role, like first of all we will take medical science. Medical science, what is under which we are treating the patients, we are discovering the drugs, we are discovering vaccines. So, their big role is playing by the biotechnology. All the type of vectors like cloning vector, transformation, etc. are required in medical science. Like you have seen ultrasound devices, NMR devices. So, these are devices we are using because of contribution of biotechnology. Just I want to say कि biotechnology has played a good role in the area of medical science, especially in the science of pharmaceutical, where we are discovering the drugs, where we are preparing the drugs and we are deciding the dose of the drugs, how much dose is required to any patient, and what is the lethal dose, LD50, like you can say LD50. So, by using different enzyme assay with the using of HPLC, GC, chromatography techniques, we are deciding the actual dose, a safe dose of any medicine by in the area of pharmaceutical. Second, I am telling about the agriculture science. Agriculture science, as we know कि agriculture, earlier it was classical type of agriculture, nowadays we are doing some advancement type of agriculture. We are using like biopesticides, biofungicides, and biofertilizers like Nostoc and Abina. So, we are using several type of biological organisms in the agriculture sector. Same times we have developed so many hybrid variety of the plants, crops, especially we have developed this golden rice, golden rice, BT cotton, BT brinjal, 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 BT brinjals. So what we have done? We have isolated gene from work organism, we have cloned that genes in the vector, and we have transformed that clone या chimeric DNA into the respective organism. So what happened? We have got a hybrid variety, yeah, we have got a chimeric type of plants. So because of the luck, you have seen in the BT cotton we have inserted a gene which is known as cry gene. Cry gene we have obtained from Bacillus thuringiensis. BT is the Bacillus thuringiensis, which is a bacteria. We have obtained cry gene from the Bacillus thuringiensis, and we have inserted that gene into the cotton plant. So now what happened? Now this cotton variety, the plant of cotton variety is safe from moth insect, one insect which cause a great loss in the area of cotton. So now we have given a dose, a lethal dose to the cotton plant, which is harmful only the moth insect. So thus BT cotton work as a biopesticides, Similarly, BT brinjal we have developed, golden rice we have developed, where we have inserted a gene which is known as carotene genes, vitamin A genes, vitamin A genes we have inserted in the rice plant. So there is no need to take extra vitamin A like carrot, papaya, etc. So in the field of agriculture, biotechnology plays a good role. Similarly, in the area of industry, industry means industry there may be several type of industries where biotechnology is playing good role. Like first of all, I am telling about the alcohol beverages industry, wine and beverages industry, where we are using a strain known as yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae जिसे yeast बोलते हैं, we are telling it commonly yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Yeast playing a good role in the fermentation process of the wines, beers, any drinks, soft drink or any drinks. So that's why we have developed new types of cultures, we have developed new types of the bacteria which generate a new type of flavors and texture. So that's why with the use of new advanced technology of biotechnology, we are getting lot of variety of wines in different flavors and texture. Similarly, in the area of bakery, in the area of bakery, what are happening? We are getting lot of fermented foods which are easy to digest and use commercially. So like egg puff, butter puff, any other type of bakery items which we are using in the daily life. Okay? Bread and butters. So is what are happening? Again we are using yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae here, and we are fermenting the food properly, and even we can say we have digested partially foods. So by the use of bakery items, our digestive system will not work too much in the digestion process. So that means what? Partially digested food is helpful for us, which we are getting from the biotechnology techniques. Second thing, one is the milk industry. One important is milk industry. In the milk industry, we are getting so many things like the paneers, khoya, and other types of sweets. Initially, we have since long times we are getting only one type of paneers in India, like a white types of the paneer. But nowadays we are getting different flavor and texture of paneers by using different microbes, like lactobacillus. In this area only lactobacillus bacteria playing a good role. So lactobacillus, what is doing? It giving us different types of the milk products in the industrial level. And one more things, there are three three domain of the science I have discussed. Beside this, I am telling you that there are so many different areas like the research. What are happening in the area of research? Biotechnology play a good role. Biotechnology, without the knowing the biotechnology, we cannot do any research in the area of biological science. Why? Ki biotechnology has given tools, different types of tools which make us sophisticated in the area of research. Why? If anybody want to do research in the human genome sequencing, like human genome sequence HGS, human genome sequencing, so there is a need of bioinformatic tools, like different types of tools for detection of protein and nucleotides. We are using tools of that area. Like if you want to isolate a gene, then again you need to different types of the techniques. If you want to purify a protein, again you need different type of chromatography techniques, like the column chromatography techniques. Chromatography techniques like column chromatography, size exclusion chromatography, आपका आयन एक्सचेंज क्रोमेटोग्राफी, आपका HPLC, आपका गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी GLC यू कैन से, एंड GLC एंड इसके साथ आपका हाइड्रोफोबिक इंटरेक्शन, हाइड्रोफोबिक या affinity chromatography we are using. So just I mean, if anybody want to purify a protein, native protein, then we have to use these such type of biotechnology tools, biotechnology techniques. If anybody want to isolate a vaccine, anybody want to prepare a vaccine, then again we have to need different aspect of biotechnology, cloning vector, transformation, preparation of clone, preparation of chimeric DNA, and expression of the vector in the different homologous systems, and isolation of the protein, and the purification of protein, and the characterization of the protein. In the characterization of protein, I am telling you what aspects are needed in the characterization of protein. What we need, there are different types of enzyme assays required, especially kinetic parts of the protein. Kinetics where we are estimating the Km value of protein and Vmax value of the protein. Vmax value, velocity max, Vmax value of the protein. That's I am telling. Without knowing the Km value and Vmax value of the protein, we cannot characterize a protein. So in this way, in briefly I have discussed different domains of biotechnology. I am telling again that without the biotechnology we cannot do research, we cannot do new things, because whatever the superficial things was there, we have explored already. And if we want to go in the deeper part of the science, then we have to use different technology part. Without the using technology, we cannot go inside the subject, and we cannot find out the things which are cited in very depth. So that's why without biotechnology, research and new things is not possible. And this is just I have told about the uses of biotechnology. Thank you.